sikat na destination dito dahil ito ay gawa pa noong 1180s, no? At sinasabi nga na ito ay tinirahan ng isa sa mga Count of Flanders hanggang noong 1353. So once again mga kalakwatsya, dito tayo ngayon sa Gravensteen, isa sa mga landmark dito sa Ghent. So marami pumupunta talaga dito dahil isa to sa mga tourist destination dito sa Ghent. After nung 1953 natirhan to ng isa sa mga konde dito sa Flanders, naging korte rin to. And after that, naging rin to ng bulak, gawaan ng bulak noon. So, napasakamay ito na ibalik to noong 1593 to 1903. At ngayon, isa na siyang museum. Actually, hindi na tayo makakapasok kasi sold out na yung ticket. So, siguro dahil bilang lang yung pwedeng pumasok. But then, siguro isasama ko na lang kasi galing na ako dito before. Papasok ko na to. Siguro, isasama ko na lang yung mga dati kong video na nakunan dito. So, hindi na tayo makakapasok kasi sold out. Sabi niya, sold out. Time because this is the place where you can see different kind of culturing materials for them. Okay, this is how they use it. So this one they put their fingers and yeah, so they torture someone. If they torture someone, they will use it. Then yeah, and also this one. Okay, this is so nice. I like the thorn. It's also this one. So this is how they use it. So it's so nice. They put it that way. And then, so also this one. Okay, this is like a big chain with also big twine. This one. So this is I guess this is a resting cup. Is that how we use that? They put it around the body of the person. Then yeah, this how they put that thing. And this is the real hand cup. Okay, this is the old hand cup. So okay, so this is how they use it. So this is the body. What is this? Chain? Okay, this is how they do it. So okay, if they want to torture someone, this is how they do that. So there's a funnel here, and okay, the torture person like that. Okay, so they're a happy person. Okay, there is also I think this is like a feet. Oh no, yeah, a feet and like neck and hand cup. Okay, so this is how they put it way. So this is a different stamp from maybe a different leader or a bit different person here in Ghent. Okay, another version of hand cup. Okay, there's some small hand cup with a small chain and of course a small lock. Okay, there's another piece of this, a different kind of hand cup. They even made it like a stylish for them. So there's also a handcuff there. Is it in handcuff? Yeah, they put it like. They put it like that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, also this way. Is it from head? Head and hands? Okay. Oh, a big chop. Chop for the pork. No. This is... Okay, this is how they use it. Okay. They use it that way. So, also this axe. There's a sword here. Okay, murder was a capital crime and whoever committed it was condemned to death by hanging, decapitation, burning or drowning. These were very dishonoring sentences. Murderers belonging to upper class families therefore saw this sentence reduced and we condemned to die by sword. So this is used with maybe with the position or with the maybe with the upper class family. So they will be sentenced using that sword. Okay, this one is for the head. Okay. Okay, this one is like, it says like a Ghent City front frappé sa période taille de fou mais c'est Grace de Dieu. So I don't know what it means and I don't know if I say it right. This is how the jet look like in an upper position or upper. So we're in the Gravensteen. So warriors are using this stuff. Yeah, they're using this stuff. And maybe this is the old battalion. It's the old battalion property. So old axe from the medieval. I don't know. I'm not exactly sure, but I guess from what it looks like, I think it's from the medieval age. We also call that the Dark Age. Okay. So, the old cavalry thing there. So, which one do you want to use? So, it's a pile of. Yes. is a small, what do you call that, archer? And it's made of metal. It's made of metal. So unlike the other thing that they use in the age of. So maybe this is one of the oldest gun before. It's the oldest gun. So okay, this one is the, yeah, this is the warrior suit. Okay, this is all the oldest gun before, so you already knew, I guess, yeah, how to use that. So okay, this is a short gun. The other one is the long one, which is the shotgun. It can be, yeah. And this one is a short one. This is made by ivory. Made of ivory. Okay. A pile-up spear also. With different design, sizes, and everything. So, oh, we can also climb here. So let us see what is in there. Okay, more higher. More higher. Okay, we're gonna come. Okay, we're here. Okay, we can see the huge landscape of Ghent here. Okay, we can climb there. Kalakwatsa hanggang sa susunod nating lakwatsa. At laging tatandaan sa bawat paglalakbay, hindi lamang karanasan ang ating makukuha, makakamtan din natin ang karunungan. So hanggang sa susunod na lakwatsa. Bye-bye!